Welcome WBP stars to the beautiful island of Ibiza. My name is Ivan, I'm chef at a restaurant Madunia, and we are going to make for you guys today a turbot from the grill. Come with me. This is David, he's a grill master. He's from Basque country, so that's why he's here. He really knows how to do this, and he's going to grill the turbot for you. So all the fishes we have, they are from a local fisher here. Yeah, it's beautiful. We get every week, every day we get fresh fish, and we get them in the size between 1 and 1.5 kilo. So you pay and you order by the size of the fishes. At the moment we have this, and we have some really nice wild sea bass. And we only work with the local fish and the wild fish. So no, how they call it here, piscifactoria. Or farmed fish, so only wild fish. Okay, so this is going to take a while, and I'm going to finish with you guys a dish that goes with this one as a main course. So this is the pimientos a la brasa, so it's red pepper, also from the barbecue. We roast them till they are completely cooked, and we finish them with a little bit of vinegar in the pan, a little bit of olive oil, typical Spanish dish, and we serve this with our fish, or of course with the other main course. To make it a little bit special, we make at the table a peel sauce, and normally the peel you do with the fish, and here we do it with the juice of the pepper and the oil, and you see it makes a nice So we are going to make a typical Basque sauce. It's called the bilbaina. It's vinegar, garlic and oil. He's going to heat it up now, later add the vinegar and then put it over the fish. So this is the oil, cuidado ahí, eh? This is the oil with the garlic. The garlic has to color, and now he's going to add the vinegar of apple cider vinegar. So I'm from Latin America, so we always try to add a little bit of Latin America to some dishes. And here we add tagine, and this is powder of chili pepper and lime to give it a little bit of spice. A little bit on the sauce also. Okay. La cabeza primero, ¿eh? Ponlo aquí. So we would like also to serve everything from the fish. So the head, we make a small salad. We make a dressing of caramelized yeast. We add some yeast powder on it. Así, mira. ¿No? ¿Quieres espátula? Tengo espátula. Pues ya, pon on top. Enjoy!